tell me. Today I'm going to show you how to do this super simple homemade mayonnaise recipe. At the end of this video, I'm also going to show you how I did this super simple, super healthy sandwich for lunch, to take to school, to take to work. So let's go to the video.
The ingredients needed to do homemade mayonnaise are super simple and you will have them at home. You need an egg, olive oil, a piece of soft bread, some vinegar, a pinch of salt, and a garlic clove. First, we have to pour some olive oil in a small pot. Just about 10 milliliters or 2 fingers, you'll see. Now we add the egg. It's better if it's a large free-range egg. Then we take the garlic clove and we will peel it and cut it really small. Remember to remove the center because it's where the flavor is stronger, and we do not want the garlic takes over all the flavor of our mayonnaise. I've just used half a garlic. Now we take the soft bread and we put some vinegar on it. And finally we put a pinch of salt. Now it's time to beat it really well. We will take the hand blender and we need that it is inserted all the way. We want to fill the bottom of the pot. Then we will mix it without stopping at any point until we finish. In this way we will prevent it from separating and being liquid. Now that you see that it all comes together and the color and textures has mostly changed, we can start slowly lifting the hand blender up from one side and then the other side, taking in all the oil. I have not speeded up this part of the clip because I wanted you to see exactly the amount of time that it takes to make super simple homemade mayonnaise. Then each time we lift it more and more until we achieve the final consistency. So now it's done. For the sandwich I'm using some lettuce, turkey and black olives. Now I'm taking our homemade mayonnaise and adding to the mixture. Be generous with the amounts, it's super yummy. So finally I add a little bit more of our homemade mayonnaise and some black olives to decorate. And that's it.
As you can see, this mayonnaise recipe is super simple and quick to do, and you can leave it in the fridge for 2 to 3 days, so you can reuse it in more recipes. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you tried this recipe, and also your favorite meals using mayonnaise. Subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell. See you next time!